Okay, when we first take a look at this, you might think that this right here doesn't make sense because ln of x plus 3, we cannot break this apart and say that's ln x plus ln 3. This is not an identity. However, this right here is an equation, meaning that this right here is not true for all x, but it is true for some x values, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. I really like this kind of questions because they look so wrong, but in fact, it's a lot of fun to do it. And you know the deal. Please pause the video and try this first. Done? Okay. The way to do this kind of question is that just make sure that we use the property correctly. Right here, there's no way to break it apart, so we leave it. So this ln of x plus 3. But on the right hand side, when we have a sum of two ln's, we can combine them to just one ln. All we have to do is multiply the insides together. So the right hand side is ln of 3x. Yeah. And now this is very good because now we have the ln on both sides. And thankfully, ln is a one-to-one function, so we can just consider the inside. I will write that down for you guys though, because ln is a one-to-one function. So we can just go ahead and you can cancel them out, or you can just consider the insides like this. Therefore, we can just say x plus 3 must be equal to 3x. And then solve it from here. Minus x on both sides, so we get 2x is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 3 over 2. And this x value will make this work. How cool is that? I really like this kind of question, so I'm going to give you guys another one for you guys to try. Use the same approach, okay? So go ahead and think about what if we have e to the x plus 2. And I want to make this equal to e to the x plus e to the 2. Unfortunately, this right here is not an identity, but it is an equation, meaning that this right here is true for an x value. Go ahead and figure it out. If you need help, I have a video for that already, so go ahead and check that out. But anyway, as always, that's it.